Hello and welcome back. While we were looking at data type, we said we will take a look at range whenever we look at loops. So we will take a look at range function now. Let us open up PyCharm. So let me comment out this. Okay. Now we are looking at a range function. So for I is nothing but a variable. It can be anything. It need not be I. It can be X, Y, Z, at any name. For I in a range. So there is a method or function called a range. So in this we can specify the range. Let us say, for example, 5. Okay, print I. Okay, what this will do is it will print from 0 to 4. Since we have not specified the starting value will always be 0, and it will print up to 5. So that is 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now if I want to print a particular range or I in range, so between a range 5 to say 15, print I. So what will happen here is we have specified the starting value, which is 5, and up to 15. So that is why we see starting from 5. Okay, let me comment this out and re-execute this. So we see starting from 5 up until 14. Okay, the same way we can also have for I in range. For I in range, we can provide the starting point. Let us say 1, and stop point is, let's say, 16, and we want to increment by 2. Okay, print I. Okay, let me comment this one out and let us print the values here. So what do we get here? We get all the odd numbers between 1 and 16. So this is the easiest way of getting odd numbers. So this is an example for odd numbers between 1 and 16. This is the simplest way of getting odd numbers by just providing the initial value and the stop value and the increment value. Okay, so if I do this, instead of 2, if I make it as 3, then it will increment each time by 3. So 1 4 7 10 and 13. So in order to get odd number, we have to increment it by 2. So similar to odd numbers, you can try out even numbers by using a range function. Okay, range function, there are 3 ways of getting a range of values. So if you provide only one value, then it will start off with 0 and ends at the value specified within the range method. And the second one is you can provide the starting and stop number, and it will print the values within that particular range. And we can also specify start, stop and step value, and every time it loops through, it will step through that particular number specified as step value within that start and end range.